Hello everyone. Do you know that cast iron pipelines are still in our system? They have not been installed recently, but their installation was pretty old, and most of the installations were in the early 1900s and continued up until the 1960s or so. In fact, in a study that was done by Folkman in 2018, from the participating municipalities, around 50% of the water pipelines are made of metallic material and mainly ductile iron and cast iron. And out of this percentage, 28% of the pipelines are made of cast iron. Now I am going to show you something that is really interesting.
So what you see in here is basically a cast iron pipeline from the inside. And as you can see, there are some particles. So this pipeline is filled with water. It's an active pipeline. It is a pipeline that is operating. What you see at the surface or the inner surface of the pipeline are some tuberculation, which are corrosion byproducts that get accumulated by age. Now, this tuberculation may result in some water quality issue, especially if they get disturbed. So, some clients or some customers may get supplied with some water quality issues. And what we see is that they submit a complaint to the city, and the city or a municipality would make some interventions in order to reduce some of the water quality issues of the water being supplied by this distribution main. This does not mean that the cast iron pipeline is of a poor quality in general. We have seen that cast iron pipelines, especially the old vintage, are performing really well when compared to a new metallic pipelines. And this is due to the wall thickness of the cast iron or the vintage